Aisha and my brother.
Okay.
And today we're going to be doing like a Flora kind of foam ASMR kind of thing, and we're also going to be teaching you guys how to do it. But before we get into this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment and subscribe it down below, and also turn on the notifications. But first, we're going to get on with the video, so let's go. Okay guys, so the ingredients that you're going to need are the Flora foam, paint or glitter, a knife to cut it with, and a bucket of water to obviously soak it with. So, without further ado, we're going to be starting by cutting it into 3 sections. So, do you want to do that? Or should I do it? Alright. It's so satisfying. There you go, so that's one block. Do you want to do it? Are you sure you don't want to do one? I knew you really wanted to do one. Okay. Cut it, it's so satisfying when you cut it. It doesn't need to be straight. There we go. So that's now in 3 pieces. So okay guys, so now we've got our 3 blocks. We're going to be cutting a hole in it and then filling it with our favourite colour paint. Okay, guys, so now my brother has now cut it. So this is what it should look like, kind of inside. So now we're going to be cutting all 3 out of camera, and then we will be filling it up with paint. Okay guys, so before we get into this video, I'm going to show you guys how satisfying it is to cut through floral foam. So let's do it. And I'm going to do the other way, so make it into cubes. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to get on to the main part of this video. So I've got the bucket of water here, and we're going to putting these floral foam into this water for 15 seconds. So my mum can put the first one in. What? Put one of these into there. Anyone. As you can see, and then we're putting it in to soak up. Look how cool it is. Actually, I'm gonna. Oh, it's so heavy now. Wait, now we're gonna take it out. Let the water drip for a little bit. So much water. Now you're gonna put this to the side and fill it up with our favourite paint. So this is my brother's one. So which paint do you want? Pick like 4 something. Green, red, pink, and orange. So now we need to put, so since we have kind of like a deep hole, so we need to put loads of paint into there. That's enough paint. Right, now the red. Okay, put some more on then. Oh my day. Okay, do you want to squeeze it? Okay. Come up close to this one. Whoa! Okay guys, so now we're on the grand finale. So my brother decided to put all of the paint into this. But before we do that, we are going to soak it in. So put it in. Soak it that far. Turn it a couple of minutes. Turn it this way. Soak this one in. Alright guys, so now we've got it all good. Now we're going to put all our paints into it. No, you can just like take it out. Grand finale one. Put this one in.
Oh, and it went.
And then the last colour. Need to colour all of them so they don't get dry.
This one hasn't been done.
We don't really need all of them.
Yeah, well,
ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my god! That's the colour rainbow! Oh my god! It looks so cool! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed these types of videos, give this video a thumbs up. So these are the things that we're going to need. You're going to need a... Okay, let me start again. So the top, and then we're going to fill it with paint or glitter. And no, we're going to put it... Okay. We're going to cut a hole around... Guys, look. See? It's so cool. Okay guys, so now I've prepared these mini ones. So I've got pink, Mara's got orange. No, let's do it again. Oh, it's hard to put it in. Can you do it?
oh, man.
Remember we could remove the lid. Remove the lid.
How do you remove the lid? Oh, okay.
How do you remove the lid? That's so He's onto my hand. Yeah, so weird. Like, how gooey is that? Oh my god, it's gone to my hand. Okay, we have to focus on this. Why are you focusing on the other bits for? Put the camera closer. God.